Course B1P 12-2. Tapered hole. Mirror geometry. Unite body. In the second part of the course, the feature is trimmed to the YZ plane, mirrored, and the halves are joined. The remaining work, such as the creation of the tenons, the tapered hole, the edge blends, are always done on the original half. This reduces the effort required for symmetrical parts by almost 50%. Trim body. Start the trim body command. Select the body and trim it to the YZ plane of the reference coordinate system. Mirror geometry. Now the geometry can be mirrored and both halves can be united. In the group Basic, under More, select the command Mirror Geometry. This can be used to mirror any objects over a plane. From the single plane to the complete feature. Select the feature, and in the next step, the mirror plane. Unite the halves. Then start the Unite command and select first the original, and then the copy. Small tip, although both works, always select the original first, never the other way around. This way you get much more change-stable models. Supplement original. Of course, it would be possible to construct the left half completely at once and only then to mirror and unite it. But in practice parts often develop step by step. Nevertheless, in order to always see the complete part, it should be mirrored early on. The original can be supplemented at any time. Add pegs. Left-click in the Up-to-Date feature column to make the last feature before trim body current. Hide the body. Start the sketch and create two circles on the center of the arcs. Tangential to the edge. Thus, the circles automatically change their diameter when the radius of the arc is changed. Exit the sketch and start the extrude command. And select the sketch in the Part Navigator. Select as start value 0 and as end value 7.5. A draft from start limit. With an angle of 1 degree. To see both halves again in between, simply set the last feature as current. Create tapered hole. The further work steps are generated according to this principle. Again, set the last feature before trim body current. Start the hole command. Select the tapered hole type, enter the hole diameter and the angle to the hole axis. And finally place the holes on the centers of the pegs. Create edge blend. Save yourself unnecessary clicking with the face edges curved selection, and select the vertical surfaces of the ribs. Only the surfaces at the trim plane must not be selected. Deactivate the preview to have a better overview of which edges are still missing. Set the selection to single curve and select the missing edges. Select the last feature again as the current feature. Start the Edge Blend command again and select the missing edges. Done. In the further courses, several more options for creating drafts will be shown.